Welcome, watercolor artists, to another amazing painting demonstration, or AKA flop, by me, Ryan Fox. Today I'm painting a painting of the Cashel Castle in Ireland. I visited there about a month ago. It was absolutely just a gorgeous place. And with this painting, I'm just using a very limited palette, just 3 colors. I've got yellow, I've got something with red in it, actually 2 colors with red, then I've got something with blue in it. So I was using Winsor yellow and brilliant orange, and I believe the purple color at the top was Imperial purple, which is made of several colors. That's Daniel Smith color. And what I did initially in the class, I started this as a classroom demo. I started at the top and worked my way down. I went from the purple to the orange to the yellow with a smooth transition. Then when that was dry, I went back up again and started working on the castle with some darker colors, less of the yellow, of course, and putting in the darks. And then when I finishing this up in the studio, and this, again, is just only using 3 colors. And at this point in time, I'm using basically just the orange and the purple to get things darker with a little bit of the yellow mixed into it just to make things grayer. I'm going in, I'm doing details and just the impression of details. I do believe at the very end here, I did throw a little bit of Lunar black into the darks to get like an absolutely dark. Lunar black by Daniel Smith is a very, it's a beautiful dark because it doesn't get shiny, which some of the Winsor Newton colors have a tendency to get shiny because of the gum arabic they put into it. So if I want to get just a flat neutral black, I use some Lunar black mixed with my other colors. I just go back and forth and just add some details into here. A little bit of scraping and scratching with my palette knife or my fingers to get some of the details. I wasn't trying to get a lot of too detailed with this painting. You can see I really didn't get too detailed, but I think if you've been to Ireland, you know this is some sort of a castle or old ruin. And I'm really happy with how this painting turned out. It was a pretty fast one. This is a time-lapse video demonstration, but probably only took me another 30 minutes in the studio. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this content, please do. So thanks a lot, everybody, and happy painting.